the secret sleep routine to protect your memory and brain health after 60. Have you ever wondered what your brain is doing while you're asleep? Most people think sleep is simply a time for rest, but scientists have discovered something astonishing. Every night, while you're sleeping, your brain activates a special cleaning system that washes away harmful waste products that build up throughout the day. Here's the shocking part. After the age of 60, this natural cleaning process becomes less efficient. If these waste materials are not removed properly, they can accumulate over time and may contribute to memory problems, mental fog, and age-related cognitive decline. But don't worry, today we're going to reveal some of the best sleep habits for protecting your brain, improving memory, and supporting healthy aging. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final sleep habit is one of the most important and most overlooked by older adults. Let's begin. Number 5. Give your brain enough time to clean itself. Many people proudly say they only need 5 or 6 hours of sleep, but your brain may disagree. During deep sleep, a network known as the glymphatic system becomes highly active. Think of it as your brain's overnight cleaning crew. It helps remove waste products and proteins that naturally build up during your waking hours. The problem is that this cleaning process takes time. When sleep is cut short night after night, your brain may not have enough opportunity to complete its maintenance cycle. Experts generally recommend that older adults aim for around 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. If you're regularly sleeping less than that, your brain may be missing out on some of its most important housekeeping work. And that's only the beginning. Number 4. Keep your bedroom cool. This simple habit can make a surprising difference. Your body naturally lowers its temperature as it prepares for sleep. A cool sleeping environment helps support this process and can encourage deeper, more restorative sleep. Many sleep specialists recommend keeping the bedroom comfortably cool. When a room is too warm, people often wake up more frequently during the night, even if they don't remember doing so. These interruptions can reduce the amount of deep sleep your brain receives. So before bedtime, consider lowering the room temperature using breathable bedding or improving airflow. Your brain may thank you in the morning. Now let's talk about something that most people never consider. Number 3. Stop using bright screens before bed. If you're checking your phone, tablet, or television right before sleep, you could be making it harder for your brain to enter its most restorative stages. Bright light, especially blue light, can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Less melatonin can mean poorer sleep quality, and poorer sleep quality can mean less time spent in the deep sleep stages where important brain maintenance occurs. Try turning off electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. Instead, consider reading a book, listening to relaxing music, or practicing gentle relaxation techniques. This simple change may improve both sleep quality and next-day mental clarity. But the next habit is where things become really interesting. Number 2. Sleep on your side. This may be one of the most fascinating discoveries in sleep research. Some studies suggest that sleeping on your side may help support the brain's natural waste removal processes more effectively than certain other sleeping positions. Researchers believe gravity and fluid movement may work together more efficiently when the body is positioned laterally. While more research is still being conducted, side sleeping has been associated with several potential benefits, including reduced snoring for some people and improved overall sleep comfort. If side sleeping is comfortable for you, consider placing a pillow between your knees or using supportive pillows to maintain proper alignment throughout the night. And now we've reached the most important habit of all. This final one ties everything together. Number 1. Follow the same sleep schedule every day. Most people focus on how long they sleep. Far fewer people focus on when they sleep. Your brain operates on an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. This clock helps regulate sleep, hormones, body temperature, and countless other biological processes. When your bedtime constantly changes, your internal clock can become disrupted. The result? Difficulty falling asleep, poorer sleep quality, and less time spent in the deep sleep stages that support brain health. One of the most powerful things you can do is go to bed and wake up at approximately the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency helps train your brain to expect sleep at certain times, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This habit may seem simple, but it can have a profound impact on overall sleep quality. Final thoughts. The good news is that protecting your brain doesn't always require expensive treatments or complicated routines. Sometimes the most effective strategies are also the simplest. Get enough sleep, keep your room cool, limit screen exposure before bedtime, try sleeping on your side, and most importantly, maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Remember, every night your brain is working hard behind the scenes to repair, restore, and maintain itself. The choices you make before bed tonight could influence how clearly you think, remember, and function in the years ahead. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe and join us for more science-backed, healthy aging tips designed to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent after 60. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these sleep habits are you going to try tonight?